If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee Altitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, body color wheel flare, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6033.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.